Alright, welcome back all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my favorite best trend trading moving average strategy and how I use it as another confirmation to have a better winning strategy, a higher win percentage. And I hope today's video help you guys. If you guys are a trader or aspiring trader, make sure to subscribe to my channel. My road would be going to $100,000 and then moving forward to another 100,000 or even aiming to 7 figures. And I'll be documenting the whole journey and showing you guys the losses, the wins, the profits, and the blown accounts and everything. Okay, if you guys seen my past videos, I started with a $100 account, and now I have just deposited $12,600 to my account. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get started. So I like to show you guys trades that I've taken. I've seen a lot of videos online where they just show you trades that's already happened, and of course, if you already know what happens, it's easy to teach. But I want to show you guys what I saw and exactly how I entered, and not just showing you guys past history, right? Because I've learned from a couple people, and I've been watching some YouTube videos too as well, and they teach you stuff that it's already happened. So anybody can teach stuff that already happened, but they teach stuff that they took personally and consistently take and become profitable. Okay, so that's what my channel is about. I want to show you guys my trades that I took and show you guys that it is possible and the strategy that I done. Okay, so this is a trade I entered last week, Euro JPY here. Let me just walk you guys through what the moving averages is. Moving average is just basically the average of price closing, so you can adjust the options here. So I do exponential and close. A close means that when price closes, that's what this line moves. So as you can see, closes like this. If I do open, it probably just move very little, just very little like that. But I like to do it to close, so you can see that price is closing. Every time price is closing lower, lower, and lower, you see here how it's dropping, dropping, dropping. Then moving average starts to drop because it starts to close small, lower, and lower, and lower. So when price starts to just become consolidating like this, that's why moving averages stays goes sideways. All right. So I'm a trend trader. So whenever price is strongly going up, for example, like this, and then even though it pulls back, I use the moving average 50 and the moving average 200 as support and resistance. So as you can see here, my entry right here, if you go to all multiple time frames from M15 to daily, it's above all moving averages, right? So this is my entry right here, above moving average 50 and the 200. That's even a better confirmation. But for M15 and M30, as long as it's above the 200 for me, I'm okay to trade with the trend, okay, since it's a smaller time frame. For H1, I want it to be above both the 50 and the 200. So in this case, that's one of my rules for trading with the moving averages, to trade with the trend. So yeah, so the rule met, and that's why I continued. H4, I don't really look at the 200, but if it's above both, it's even a better confirmation. But even if price is, for example, if let me show you guys an example here for a buy. So if price was right here, I will still do a buy because what is it? It's above the moving average 50. I don't look at the 200. So since it's a higher time frame, the moving averages are stronger, meaning if you buy with the trend, as long as it's above the 50, at least for me, I'm confident that it will go my way. It's not always 100%. No strategy is 100%, but you just got to find other confirmations with it. But if you just use the moving average alone using this strategy, you guys will be able to increase your guys' win percentage. Yeah, so as it continues up, so the same rules for daily. Daily is the same H4 as long as it's above the moving average 50. I'll do a buy even though the 200 is here. So if it confuses you guys can even delete the 200 here, but I'm just going to leave it because that's the strategy I use. But when you go to H4 and daily, all you really need to focus on is the MA50. For the H1, you just need to focus on the both the moving averages, and then M30 and M15, all you need is the 200, okay? So if it's above all of them, like this one, it's even a better confirmation. You see here, it's above both. It's above both. Moving averages here, it's above both the moving averages here, and daily, it's above both the moving averages, okay? So I also broke down this trade here I made with AUDCHF, where I made $300 in my last video. If you guys haven't seen yet, so yeah, that's just another video example for you guys to see that. Um, that's the strategy that I'm using. That one I kind of go more into support and resistance as well. So that's another confirmation. If you guys want to use that on top of the moving averages, um, yeah. So that's the way to use moving averages. Very simple. And it's just very easy for you to just eye the charts and find if it's ready for you to do a buy or a sell, okay? So that's the way that I use the moving averages, and I hope that helped you guys. If you guys are onto this journey of watching me go to 100K, or you guys are in this journey of just becoming a profitable trader or a full-time trader, is what I'm trying to do right now with my trading accounts. I'm $200 away from being in profit. If you guys saw that I deposited to 12,600, and now I'm at 12,400, I believe. Yeah, 12,000, basically 12,400. So I'm only $200 away from being in profit. So this week, I'm very excited to trade this week and see how it goes. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, put the comments down below and hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.